Hey, katute, aniyan, low kala. Grocery shopping, ganti doon na ni hey. Hey, kapang pate pon mo ye. Katute nen kanhan Bazaar ang ye. Boys, here we are at the grocery store. We're going to Safeway to do our shopping. Okay, keep going.
Pants, white shirt. We are both wearing the same outfit.
I know, that's okay.
I mean,
that's kind of weird, right? Okay. All right, we oh, here's my okay. Okay, we should get that watermelon, right? Okay. Yeah, you can take that. There's some inside also. Okay, here's the grocery list.
I mean, we'll get what we need.
Okay.
I hate being a person.
Should we get this watermelon?
No.
I think we should. Everybody likes watermelon. All right.
Okay. Watermelon. Understood.
Okay. You got the list, Lars?
I'll go get one.
What? Oh, okay, okay.
I don't know what you...
There might be one inside though. Okay, there's watermelon. Okay, keep going. Ayos ko. Katupahin mer Tanya. Okay. Okay, look at the list that we have. Anh liền 12 ต้นเนี่ย hey Rune hi kum som pali la tling lo dewa fit ru kan ito uzo killer sanya ani hi zo now ai na sang lo zo ka Okay, get some bananas. I know it's not on the list. Yeah, get yeah, get that. Okay, let me see. What is it?
Alright, what we need to get hamburger meat?
The hamburger meat. It's on the down. Okay. Seafood then, yeah. Okay, it's on the wall. The ground round. Teng tehisa, peksania, teng hibong sania, hamburger siam na turan ya kanhan le yang ye. Okay, does it say ground round?
Ground beef, ground beef.
Okay, get that.
Yes?
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay,
what
what else do we have?
Thighs.
Chicken thighs? Okay. Chicken thighs should be right here.
Is that it?
No, that's the chicken thighs or
This?
no. Okay, jumbo thighs. Hold on. Yeah, we need to get juice.
With milk and cheese.
Okay, we're gonna go. Yeah, so let's see what kind of juice you guys like. Cranberry or
No.
iced tea?
Specifics, really. We can't drink certain juices. 28 grams sugar or less.
28 grams. Okay, take a look.
Because Papa can't drink 100% juice apple cider.
Okay, we can get apple cider.
Where's the sugar?
Find the frozen. Did you?
Alright, so where is it?
Amy's? It should be around here. Amy's tofu. I don't think it's gonna be around here, right here.
be the one. Yeah. You're doing a scavenger hunt. All he does is sit there, wait for the food. Oh my god, it's hungry. Waiting to call mom.
I know. Call your mom. We can't find her
Yeah, I don't know
vegetarian.
Because Rune is like the key factor in this. Not only does he have the list, but he has to call mom. So, we're waiting.
They have everything except what she's asking for, right?